Hello, this is Margaret Meier Cox. Welcome to another module in the series Mastering CSS3. Today we're going to be looking at CSS3 media queries. As designers, I'm sure you're all aware that you really can't make a site that looks identical at every screen size and text size, especially today as we have got multiple devices out there that people are using to access the internet. But you can make a site that adapts to the user's setting, that looks good and works well in the screen space that is available to them. We're going to take a look at using media queries to tailor a web page's design to various screen sizes on the fly to make those web pages more dynamic, more responsive, and more usable. So let's take a look at how we can use media queries to take a pretty good website page and make it more responsive and user-friendly in multiple screen sizes. I've opened the demonstration file called mediaqueries_startfile.html, and there's also a complete version that you can look at as well. But before we actually look at the code for this, I'm going to go ahead and bring it up in a browser window and take a look at what's on the file itself. This is for the logo travel company. We have a sample page here. It comes up with a reservation spot for the logo. We have a navigation bar across the top as well as a search field, and you can see that it's already got some CSS3 features in it. The first thing we want to think about when we start working with the smaller screen sizes is to go down toward a tablet size screen. So we're going to look at a maximum width of 760 pixels. So I'm going to add another media query here, and I'm just going to pop this one in and we'll talk about it. So I've added a media query for an app media rule for screen and max width of 760 pixels. When you combine that with the previous one of minimum width of 1200, we've covered everything over 1200 pixels, 1200 and above. Now we're going to cover everything up to 760. So our generic style will apply to everything between that. And then we're going to do still another one for the smallest screen width.